Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get mint chunks in Grounded. To begin, you'll need to locate the Ice Caps mint container, which is a key landmark. This area may have some insects, so prepare for potential encounters and bring your best gear. Mint chunks are a valuable resource for crafting powerful fresh element weapons, making the journey worthwhile. We'll cover preparation, location, and harvesting in the next steps. The Ice Caps mint container is a prominent landmark located northwest of the mysterious machine. To access the mints, simply hit the top of the container to open it. You'll need a Tier 2 busting tool, such as the insect hammer, to break the mints inside. Ensure you have adequate armor, a reliable weapon, and healing items for any unexpected encounters. Once you've located the Ice Caps mint container, approach it and hit the top to pop open the dispenser lid. You can then crouch to enter the container and access the mints within. Use your Tier 2 busting tool, like the insect hammer, to break the large mints into smaller mint shards. Be sure to collect all the shards that drop, as they are your valuable resource. Mint shards are incredibly versatile. They are primarily used for crafting a variety of items, including powerful fresh element weapons, such as the mint mallet. Beyond crafting, you can consume mint shards to reduce sizzle buildup, which is helpful in hot environments. Eating 16 mint shards will even unlock the fresh defense mutation, providing further resistance to heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.